are 5 people in my family. I am the only child. I don't have any brothers or a sister. My dad is 44 years old. He is a doctor. My mom is 40 years old. She is a writer. My grandpa and grandma are staying with us. They are very happy. I am very happy. I love my family.